Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine, the most powerful V-twin engine ever offered from the factory, and only available on CVOs. 2018 CVO Street Glide, dark alloy with black denim. Advanced audio package featuring 3 separate amplifiers with 75 watts per channel. 6 bi-amp speakers delivering 900 watts of clear audio performance. Speakers in the fairing lowers. Premium boombox 6.5 infotainment system. Full color touchscreen with voice activation for hands-free mobile phone, media and navigation. Premium paint scheme. The CVO color options are dark alloy with black denim, orange lava with black denim, gunship gray, painted inner fairing, integrated security system with power locking fob, wireless headset interface module. Call hands-free on your Bluetooth mobile phone. Listen to stereo music or voice instructions of GPS navigations. 2018 CVO Street Glide at Henderson Harley-Davidson. We're working on another video for you right now. If you subscribe here, we'll let you know when it's done. If you enjoyed this video, you may want to check out these other videos in the meantime.